Hi everyone, I'm Anjali. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is for total beginners. So let's get started. In this video, we will learn slip knot, chain, single crochet and your very first crochet project. Today's video is for total beginners, so you will learn everything that a beginner should know. So if you are a beginner and you don't know anything about crochet and you just want to start your crochet journey, I request you to watch this beginner series that I have started, and this is the first part, so you will know everything about crochet. So I will tell you very useful crochet tips in this video. Tip number 1, if you have any crochet hook, you can start your crochet with that hook, and if you are planning to buy any crochet hook, I suggest you buy one crochet hook size 4 mm. Okay. Tip number 2, you don't have to buy all the yarn. There are many types of yarn, but I suggest you can buy one yarn ball. If you have any yarn already, you can start with that, and if you want to buy any yarn, you can buy any acrylic or cotton yarn, just one ball for this project. Tip number 3, be patient, because we all learn gradually and it takes time to become a master. So you will learn everything about crochet in the journey as you go. So my suggestion is to keep going and practicing. Watch this video. Hi again. Here are some crochet hooks, yarn needle, scissor, and this acrylic yarn. Here I'm gonna show you difference between acrylic and cotton yarn. um, this is cotton yarn and the red one is acrylic yarn. See, can you see the difference? Cotton yarn made of pure cotton and acrylic yarn made of other fibers, which I actually don't know. You can Google it, but I just wanna show you the difference between them. This is crochet hook 6 mm. This is a thick one, and this is thin 2.7 mm crochet hook. See, and this one is 4 mm crochet hook, and this is yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. And for this project you will also need a measurement tape. For this project you will need a ball of yarn, a crochet hook 4 mm, and a yarn needle and a pair of scissors. So let's jump on the tutorial. So firstly, unwind some yarn from this ball. It will help us to crochet. Do it as many times as you want when you are crocheting. Okay, fold your yarn like that and twist it with your finger and make a loop like that, and pull this side from this loop like that, tighten it, and this is how we make slip knot. There are many ways to make a slip knot, but I am showing you my way to make a slip knot. See, Watch one more time. Insert your hook in this loop and tighten it. Okay, remember, don't tighten it too much or your hook will not work smoothly. Yarn over and pull through this loop like that. This is our first chain. Okay, yarn over, pull through. This is chain 2. Okay, yarn over, pull through. This is chain 3. Yarn over, pull through. This is chain 4. Okay, we are making chain now. Okay, some crocheter wrap yarn around their finger like that, but I don't wrap it. I hold it like that and secure it with my little finger. See, so you can hold it as you like or as you feel easy way to hold your yarn. This is right side of our chain. See, and this is back side. Sometimes we work in these bumps too. So every crochet project starts with chain, and then we start any pattern that we want to um, create for our project. Okay, I'm going to make it 5-inch long. I'm not giving you any number for chains. You just chain it and measure it with measurement tape, because I wanted to keep it very simple and very easy for a beginner. So you don't have to remember any chain number, just make chain and measure it with measurement tape, and I'll meet you there. Okay, I have 5-inch long chain. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we will insert our hook, second chain from our hook. See, 1 2, we will insert our hook in this chain or stitch, yarn over. See, can you see it? Insert in this second chain like that. Okay, we will work single crochet, so we will not yarn over before, but when we insert the hook, yarn over, and now we will pull through our yarn. This is first single crochet, again second single crochet. We will work in every chain or stitch across. See, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through from both loops. Repeat it till the end of row. See, okay, I am at the end of row. This is last stitch, and we will make another single crochet. Okay, now this row is complete. Now just chain 1 like we start. See, now turn your project and your yarn should behind always your hook. This is back loop or back post, and this one is front loop or front post, but we insert our hook beneath both of them like that. See, both loop over our crochet hook and yarn over, pull through a loop and yarn over again and pull through from both loop. This is our first single crochet. Again, see, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through a loop. This is our second single crochet. We will repeat this second row until our project is complete. See, okay, one more thing, that even number rows are right side of our project and odd number of rows are wrong side of our project. Okay, this is the end of second row. Again, this is our last stitch and we will make chain 1 and turn. Just repeat it till we get the length about 5 inch. We will make this about 5 inch wide and 5 inch long. So measure it with measurement tape. Okay, I am keeping it simple for you, so this is why I give you this measurement about 5 inch, because this is your first time, so there might be some a few mistakes you would do, so that be okay, I guess, because we all do mistakes when we all start learning something new. So I suggest to enjoy your learning. That will make your learning smooth. Okay, my mug rug is complete. Now fasten it up. I have used an old yarn, so my rug is curling. Okay, cut this yarn and pull through it. This will make a knot. See, tighten it. This is curling too much, but don't worry, we are in the learning process, so we are not making any masterpiece, we are just learning, so this is okay. I am wrapping it here so that you can make this crochet mug, and in the next video we will weave these tails or these ends together, and also we will add tassel to this rug. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, you can share it, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.